Composite numbers. Composite numbers. I will tell about composite numbers. Composite numbers are non-prime natural numbers. They must have at least one factor apart from unknown itself. They must they must have at least one factor apart from unknown itself. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9 it is. Note: composite numbers can be both odd and even numbers. Composite numbers can be both odd and even numbers. One is neither prime number nor a composite number. One is neither prime number nor composite number.